Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change seats on KLM app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, my trip, checked in and information. In the top right corner, we have your profile. And in the very middle of the screen, we have, as you can see, your bouquet flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change seats on KLM app. First of all, of course, launch the app on your smartphone and enter your login details to access your account. And then go to manage my trip or the booking, which is of course here. Enter your reservation code and last name to locate your booking. At the moment, I don't have any bookings. That's why this is empty for me. Then look for the option to change seats. This is usually found under a selection of seats or manage seats. Select the new seat you prefer from the available options. Follow the prompts to confirm and save your seat changes. Just make sure to check the seat map for availability and additional charges. This might apply. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can contact KLM's customer support, of course, through the website or the application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.